In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious popcorn salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 bag of popcorn, half a cup of bacon bits, half a cup of celery, half a cup of lettuce, half a cup of cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of carrots, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. In a bowl, we're going to start by adding the sour cream, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and the Dijon mustard, and mix until well combined. Now we're going to add in half of this mixture into a bowl and pour our popcorn over it. To the popcorn, we're going to add in the bacon, celery, lettuce, cheddar cheese, and carrots. Now we're going to add in the rest of our sauce over this. Mix until well combined. Our popcorn salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.